Hi everyone, Alystar here. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to make a rich chocolate cake quick and easy. Do subscribe to my channel, and if you like this video, like and share it with your friends and family. Before I begin, I want to let you know that I've prepped my oven for 180 degrees Celsius to bake my cake. I have an aluminium pan in a heart shape which is 8 inches. I will be oiling this first. So I'll put some oil on the sides and then some at the base, enough so that the butter paper sticks well. So we'll take our butter paper and gently fix it to the sides. This is a little tricky, but you can do it slowly so like it works. Okay, mine is more or less done. Here you can see, and let me just put the base as well. So here is my pan ready. I'll keep this aside. Now we have our dry ingredients and our wet ingredients. We're going to combine it together to make a batter and then bake it in the oven for 60 minutes. So let's begin with our dry ingredients. We have refined wheat flour or maida, baking soda, baking powder, some cocoa powder for a chocolatey flavor, and some salt, just a pinch. And our wet ingredients, we have half cup of curds, half cup of oil, 1 teaspoon vanilla essence, 2 eggs, and we're adding 1.5 cups of sugar powder. Though it's not a wet ingredient, we will be adding it with the wet ingredients. And last but not least, we have our plain soda, which we will add to get a good consistency. So let's begin. I have my sifter here and some baking paper. You can use brown paper or newspaper if you don't have it. So let's begin now. So I will add 2 cups of maida slowly. You can see it's a bit of time. So 1 cup of maida and another cup. So there we have 2 cups of maida and 1 teaspoon of baking soda, a level teaspoon of baking soda, a level teaspoon of baking powder. Oh, it's spilling a bit. Okay, baking powder, and 2 heaped tablespoons of cocoa for the chocolate flavor. Yeah, that's done. Keep it together. And a pinch of salt. Now we will sift our dry ingredients. Takes a while. Now we'll sift it once more. If you can see it, right? So we'll sift it once more. Don't need to hurry, you can just do it slowly as long as it takes. Sift, please. Okay, once this is sifted, we will put it in our bowl and set it aside. So pour this into our bowl. gently. And we'll set this aside. Now let's prep our wet ingredients together. For this we will take half a cup of curds, half a cup of oil. You can use butter if you prefer butter. I'm using oil. 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. Then our eggs. Crack it. Ooh, crack. There. Both our eggs are in. Now we will whisk it together, as you can see. Hope you guys can see this. And where is it? Our sugar powder. Add it in. Little at a time. This takes a while. The last of the sugar. There, 1.5 cups of sugar powder. Put it in. Take some time. Whisk it together. Once that is done, we'll add our dry ingredients a little at a time in 3 parts. So a little bit. Whisk it in. You can see it's getting into it's becoming a batter of a good consistency. We will do the second part. This takes a while, but you get a hang of it once you start doing it. Whisk it as much as possible in one direction so that the lumps don't form easily. And the last part of our dry ingredients. Finally. So let's just whisk it together. Evenly. I'm trying to do it in one direction, but it's a bit tricky. You get it. There. Now we'll take half a cup of plain soda. Before that, let's just whisk it a bit more. Get a good consistency. Spatula. The soda. We'll add half a cup. Slowly, just to get a ribbon consistency. I don't think we'll be needing the whole of this. Just mix it in. This is only the soda is only for the good consistency. Once you get a ribbon consistency, you can stop adding the soda. So my batter is already in a ribbon consistency, so I'm stopping. Now we will put it in our baking pan. Using a spatula, slowly pour it in. Make sure the butter paper is wet. Batter. Now we've got it in our pan. We'll give our pan a tap to reduce air bubbles. Now we'll be putting it in the oven for 60 minutes to bake. Let's keep it in the center to get even heat. So I'll see you once it's baked. Hi everyone, I'm back. For the last part of the video, we need to turn the cake over and serve it. For this, I've left the cake out for an hour or so to cool. Now we loosen the sides by taking a knife and passing it all around our pan to remove our cake. Once that's done, it's a little loose now, we will turn it upside down like so. There, you can see it. Lastly, let's remove our butter paper from the side, like so. And using a plate with a doily for decoration, let's cover it and gently flip it over. There, it's ready to be served. Now let's check out the texture and the taste of our cake. For this, first let's cut a piece, nice slice, like so. Now let's try our cake. Yummy. Thank you for watching my video. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Also, don't forget to try this recipe and leave a comment in the comment section.